hammerFall gravity-powered electric generator project update. We decreased the step-up gears to a 1 to 9, and at 25 pounds it's still not enough to self-start, but you give it a little nudge and it does what was expected. I had to add some little rollers to prevent the rack from slipping off the pinion gear, but at this point it'll be enough so that we can proceed with the rest of the build. And as we add more weight, we'll get more RPM and more torque out of the device, which is a good idea, because once we start generating electricity, that'll place an additional load on the system. So you'll have the load from the gear train, and then the load from producing electricity. And at 100 pounds, we'll see what kind of electricity we can produce. So, and if it proves to be not enough, then we can add another gear. We'll have to make a custom gear where instead of 9 to 1 or 1 to 9, it goes anywhere between 9 and 12, so 10 or 11. But we're going with 9 for now. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. That's just not enough. Little manual assist, and it starts to fall. Okay, have a good one. Cheers.